Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. In this video I'll show you how to take selfie using palm gesture. In the beginning, let's enter camera, enter settings, shooting methods, and make sure that show palm is enabled. Now you can simply turn on front camera and show your palm to the camera to take a selfie. To turn this function off, let's go to settings again, enter shooting methods and switch this button off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.